62 is if a double-stranded DNA has 20% of cytosine. Calculate the percent of adenine in the DNA. So now over here we need to remember that we have a specific formula. That formula is known as Chargaff's rule. So let's start by writing what we know. So cytosine ratio is 20%. So will be guanine's ratio. Why? Because cytosine is complementary to guanine. Now, next, according to Chargaff's rule, we know that A plus T is equal to 100 minus G plus C. Okay. So students, we have this thing. So 20 plus 20 is 40. So let's start writing, which is equal to 100 minus, in bracket, guanine, that is 20 plus 20. Okay, so this is done, which is equal to 100 minus 40, which is again equal to 60. So we know that A plus T is equal to 60. Now, in the same manner as C is complementary to G, A is complementary to T. Therefore, to find adenine, this will be half of it. So this 60 becomes 30. So the ratio over here, or the answer over here, is equal to 30%. Okay, let's see. A plus T is equal to 100 minus 40, as both of them are in equal amounts. Therefore, adenine is equal to 60% divided by 2, which is equal to 30%. Okay students, so this is very easy, but what you have to remember, A plus T is equal to 100 minus, in brackets, C plus G. Now C will always be equal to G and A will always be equal to T. So this is what you are supposed to remember. 3 things to note in this particular question is that C is equal to G, A is equal to T, and lastly the Chargaff rule. Students, this sort of questions can be asked in your MCQ or competitive exams as well as in your board exams. Okay?